How to appeal the permanent ban on TikTok. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to appeal the permanent ban on TikTok. TikTok has a clear process for appealing a permanent ban. First, it's important to note that TikTok uses both automated systems and human reviewers to enforce its community guidelines. If your content violates these guidelines, TikTok will remove it and notify you of the reason. You will have the option to appeal this decision. If your content is under review, TikTok's trust and safety team will assess whether it should be removed or restricted. If a violation is confirmed, the content will be taken down, and you will receive a notification. You will be given a chance to appeal if you believe a mistake has been made. If you want to see TikTok's decision details, you will need to turn on Analytics in your settings. To do this, tap Profile, then go to the menu and select TikTok Studio. To get started with Analytics, tap on Turn On. If your appeal is successful, your content will be reinstated, and your account may regain access to the For You feed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.